drylands. You do a lot of things at once and it works. So you spread the roots out, and I always spread them over a rock. And then you mulch the bejeebers out of it. And then you put some fronds or something to shade it a bit. And then I put a lot of rocks then on top of the mulch and put your drip on and time it until it wets about 1 metre diameter, twice a week or something, and then piss off. And that will grow. And our losses have been as low as 1%. We put 200 trees in, we lose 2 or 3 trees. In the same area where the Forestry Commission tells me they're losing 70-odd%, we lose 1%. But you've got to take this much care. But if you get this tree, and it's a mulberry or a fig in the desert, or a fig, it'll last nearly 1,000 years, or an olive. And it'll give people food or oil or protein for that long, or storable material. And what are those ones with the sweet pods? Carobs. A carob. So take care and get all the trees you plant if you can, and you're right for another 1,000 years, and that gives you quite a bit of time to get your breath and think about what you're going to do with your later life.
But, you know, that much compost put into deep mulch will take most vegetable seedlings right through to maturity, if you're talking about vegetable seedlings. But if you're talking about, you know, a mature mango tree, then you probably need a bucket, spread around the drip line. You know, and it's best if you put it on the ground and put it under mulch now. So it adds to, you know, you're now talking about biodynamics of the soil, life dynamics. You're increasing the life count. You're stimulating the life of the soil, which has more than just fertility. It adds all kinds of aesthetic structure, which we've talked about before, and aeration through that process. And of course, if you're creating life, then life goes on if the conditions are right. It doesn't just stop there.